So finally, I was able to find a way to connect your PlayStation 5 to PC or laptop with HDMI cable. So basically what we're going to do firstly is to grab the HDMI cable that you should have from your PlayStation 5 or just have one, like yeah, in general. Then I'm just gonna take it and insert one of the ends inside my PlayStation 5 here, as you can see. And the other end, you might think that the other end needs to go to your PC directly, but that is actually not the case. What we need to use instead is one of those video capture cards here, as you can see. So this is the one that I'm using. And the other end of the HDMI needs to go right here, as you can see. So now when it's connected, then what I'm going to do is to insert it here to my PC or laptop. Just like this, as you can see. Then what you're going to do as well, you're going to get something called OBS. So search for Google on OBS and then just get it for Windows here, as you can see, if you have a computer, PC or laptop, so Windows. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna launch OBS here real quick and show you exactly what we need to do after. So now on OBS, what we need to do is to click on this plus symbol right here in the bottom left corner and then click on Video Capture Device. Then click on OK. And then in here on device, just click on it and then change to your game capture card here instead, as you can see, or your video capture card. So you can see now it changes here. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm just gonna scroll down here and then find the audio output mode, and I'm going to set it to output desktop audio direct sound. And then just click on OK right here. And then I'm just gonna right click, I believe. Yep, right click here and then preview. No, sorry, open source projector and this right here. And now you can see if I'm going to use my controller here, I'm now able to use my PlayStation 5 here without any problems whatsoever on my laptop here, as you can see. And by the way, if you want to be able to get this specific video game capture card that you need to have to be able to make this work, I have left a link for it down below. And yes, it is an affiliate link, by the way. So yeah, I might earn a small commission if you purchase from it, but at no extra cost to you. And this is the best one and probably the cheapest one that I was able to find personally, just so you know.